Hi guys, welcome to 18 Yuk's Korean cooking class. So we're gonna make 바지락 칼국수. So the word kal means knife, 국수 means noodle. So that noodle made by cutting them from the dough. Okay, we have 바지락 칼국수. For your extra topping, pepper, zucchini and carrots, clams, and scallion. Okay, let's get started. Let's make 바지락 칼국수. Let's open the package. Boil 22 ounces of water in the medium pot. When it's boiling, add soup base powder and noodle. Cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally so that they're not stick together. After 3 to 4 minutes, put some optional topping with zucchini, carrots, clam, pepper, and scallion per your preference. When vegetable is all tender, remove from the heat and serve in large bowl. Put some pepper garnish on top. 바지락 칼국수 is all done. Enjoy!